had these a couple of years ago, had to return them. Kind of stepped outside my budget, and I was like, nope, gotta go ahead and return these. One of the saddest returns I ever had to make. Usually when I make a return, it's like the shoe is uncomfortable, and I'm so happy to get rid of it and get my money back. This hurt, returning the shoe. So happy to have them back. Had to go over to Flight Club, pick them up. When I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get these because this has been on my mind for so long. I think these kicks look really good with pants, AKA jeans. I think it gives the best effect. I was wearing tapered fitted pants before with these, and it just didn't do it. Did not do it for me. Yeah, they're light, comfortable. That Zoom or that removable midsole is just phenomenal. I mean, it's just foam, but it's light, responsive, and comfortable. And I just couldn't believe that. Simply amazing. Simply a wonder. Really happy to have these back in the collection. I'm enjoying them. I rock them casually. And I think, personally, that's the best look for these. I mean, you can definitely play basketball in them if you want to, but God rest Kobe, because that's my favorite basketball player of all time. I just probably wouldn't play basketball in these due to the fact that Kobe shoes are now so expensive, you know, the resale value. And so I'm just happy to get these back and just enjoy them. All right, team, have a good one.